Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tim from Reduxreacts. So today I'm going to be watching Return of the King of Mukbangs by Meat Canyon. If you guys didn't know, recently in the news, Nikocado Avocado has lost a lot of weight. He's been doing this social experiment for 2 years to play with his fans and stuff, and he lost a lot of weight. So we're going to check this out, and if you guys want to, you guys can like, share, and subscribe before we get into this video. And please make sure when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I will be giving away a PS5. So let's get into it. Ugh. Oh, he's transforming. Ugh. It's kind of creepy with the hands messed up like that. Oh! Oh, he's ripping his face off. Oh. Oh, the creepy smile. What the heck is he looking at? Okay, guys, so what do you guys think about this whole situation with Nikocado? I think it's nice that he's losing a lot of weight and stuff, so let me know down in the comments. And don't forget, I will be giving away a PS5 at 10,000 subscribers. Thank you, guys. This is Tim from Redux React.